Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JotForm with Zapier using AI data extraction, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect JotForm with Zapier using AI data extraction, first, log into your JotForm account. Navigate to the form you want to integrate with Zapier. Click on the Publish tab at the top of the form builder. In the Publish section, find the URL of your form and copy it. Next, open a new tab and log in to your Zapier account. On the Zapier dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. In the trigger search bar, type JotForm and select it from the options. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as New Submission. Click on the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, connect your JotForm account by clicking on the Sign in to JotForm button. Authorize Zapier to access your JotForm account by following the prompts. Once connected, click Continue to select the form you copied earlier. Test the trigger by clicking the Test Trigger button to ensure it's working. Once successful, click Continue to proceed to the action step. In the action search bar, type AI data extraction and select your preferred AI service, such as OpenAI. Choose the action event for the AI service, like Extract Data. Click Continue and connect your AI service account to Zapier if prompted. Map the fields from your JotForm submission to the AI service input fields. After mapping the fields, click on Continue to move to the next step. You can now test the action by clicking on Test Action. If the test is successful, click Continue to finalize the Zap. To activate your Zap, turn it on by toggling the switch at the bottom of the screen. Your JotForm is now connected to Zapier using AI data extraction. You can customize further by adding additional actions or filters as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully set up the integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.